Adu katno ngin siaset phatok phauni virus. Haba kalat balaj nu kadon. Ini ban simbet yaka. Aya ketika khawit kerkhendai. Kena ikun baki kena persya ya kena kekhlam.
Hadin bana kaliang ki arngot ki deputy commissioner kata jongka Ribhoi district nongpo bat jongka West Karbi Anglong na Hamran rengkat bat baro ar ki superintendent of police kilaikran ban wanra ikaching shongsuk shongsain hagishnong ki baha khapot ka block 2 bakanthop iki khatprat ligishnong ki paiba naka West Karbi Anglong kanthopru yaka Karbi Anglong student association balailam khamat do president ka central KSA u Samson Teron kidanggele ban penjai-jai ye ki paiba ha ki thain kashnong umlaper kilar pathai khubor na baro R district habakali no teu nongelam jongka KSA ulong ba kumbalong menta baro R jilla kidon hakajing shongsuk shongsain wadlaw la kantho tengeru ye ki jingtko trekam na baro R ki district na ki R jilla kumbalong menta baro ki R district na ki R jilla kila menjur lang ban ptha ya ki dong shongshnong banom penki na pensien khnang banla ban wanra ka shongsuk shongsain barkarai ka shong haki artali ki sarkar jilla ki brangdon hapdang ki jingekran yau put usam hakawai par kaliang ka district magistrate ka Ribhoi district kala penjari da ka kendon shispa saphausaw CRPC haka thain maulosnai bantem ya ka jingkan ad barban omsha iki jinglum palat ya ki saw ne sangut shalor ban omsha ban lek penthut shakiti ishnong haka thain khaput kabala shania haki bor pulet banle ekabadang kam
between the Karbi Anglong and the Meghalaya, and also to the western part like the Chirikindang, like Khirmis, and also you can see the problems that often used to arise in the Khanduli areas. And recently this happened in this Chinthong constituency in the upper Chinthong areas, like Umlafer. So we could say that these problems happen often. This is because of the total failure of the government of Assam as well as the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council.
Sir, as we have seen the vandalizations as well, so do you think that the police administrations of Assam has failed to bring peace in here as we have seen the vandalization?
Definitely, the government of Assam, on one part we can say that the government of Assam retreat from the police of Meghalaya, as we could see from the incident that happened one day ago. So we appeal the government of Assam to send more or to deploy more police personnel in the areas, and then to erect or to establish the border patrol outposts here in Umlafer, so that the life and security of the people around here are safe.
And as far as the discussions between the Meghalaya and the Assam Special Himanta Biswa Sharma and Conrad Sangma, the Chief Minister, and they have made a statement that they will maintain a status quo. So seeing these vandalizations and seeing this all the violence here, do you think that they have broken all the status quo they have made?
Of course. The government of Assam and the government of Meghalaya, they had a meeting for more than twice, and we have seen the meeting had been organized by the Assam counterpart in Guwahati, and in that meetings they both discussed and they held a discussion, and they both agreed upon maintaining the status quo in the sensitive areas like a border, all the border areas of Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong. But since the incident that happened in the 2 days ago, which happened in Umlafer area, it's very unfortunate, and is from one part that the government of Meghalaya have just broken the status quo that to be maintained by both of the states.
So do you want to say about this, whether this is a political issue or a border issue?
Yeah, this is so to say, actually, whatever the problems surfaces every time, as we see, this based on the border issues. But I don't think that this is a border issue. Why? Because we have.
আজি আমি মেঘালয় SP আৰু DC লগৰ কথা পাতিছোঁ যাতে ল এণ্ড অৰ্ডাৰটো হেৰি হ'ব নালাগে, বেছি হ'ব নালাগে, যেনেকৈ হেৰি আছে আগৰ পৰা আমাৰ মানুহবিলাকে ককাই ভাই নিচিনা বসবাস কৰি আছিলে ঠিক তেনেকৈ কৰিব লাগে ইয়াৰ আৰু আমাৰ বেলেগ আৰু হুলস্থুল কৰি লাভ নাই বুলি আমি ডিছকাশ্যন কৰিছোঁ আৰু সেইমতে আমি তেওঁলোকেও মানিছে যে তেওঁলোকে নিজৰ মানুহবিলাকক কণ্ট্ৰল কৰিব সেইফালে আমি আমাৰ মানুহবিলাকক কণ্ট্ৰল কৰিম
So we have seen in the early days that the vandalizations of the barricades that you have put on this Omraphe road. So what do you want to say in this regard? As we have given to understand that a lot of people from Meghalaya, they come here and destroy all the barricades that that put out by you. So what do you want to say in this vandalization?
সেইটো সংক্ৰান্তত আমি সেইটো সংক্ৰান্তত তেনেকৈ এনেকৈ বেৰিকেড ভাঙা নাই অলপ হেঁচা ঠেলা হৈছিলে
But we have seen in the video of the vandalization of the barricades that you put on.
বেৰিকেড নহয় এইটো সৰু এটা আমাৰ টেম্পৰাৰী হেৰি আছিলে এইটো আমি চেকিং পষ্ট বহাইছিলোঁ সেইটো অলপ মানে আমাৰ পুলিচৰ লগত তৰ্কাতৰ্কি হৈছিলে আৰু আমাৰ পুলিচে 3জন হেৰি ল'ৰাক বেয়াকৈ এছাল্ট কৰিছিলে সেইটো লৈ ৰাইজে ওলাই আহি পেলাই অলপ হেৰি কৰিছিলে
And you have
তাৰপিছত আমি কথা চথা পাতি পেলাই সেইটো সিদিনাখনে হেৰি হৈ গ'ল
And you have made a discussion today that they will control their people and you will control your people.
Yes,
and till which area they cannot come? Can you tell me till which
নাই
area?
আমি তেওঁলোকক কৈছোঁ যে হেৰিত মলচনা এৰিয়াত তেওঁলোকে হেৰি কৰিব
Molosuna area.
Molosuna
And why you are putting barricades here? Since this is not a border area, why you are putting this barricade here?
না সেইটোতো আমি হেৰি নহয় যে চাওক তেওঁলোকে আমাৰ এইফালে লগত পুলিচ লৈ পেলাই যোৱাকালি যিটো হৈছে লগত পুলিচ লৈ পেলাই আহিছে তেওঁলোকে হেৰি মলেচনাৰীত পুলিচ আহিছে নিজে আহি পেলাই সেইফালে যাব ওলাইছিলে তো আমাৰ ভিতৰত যদি তেনেকৈ পুলিচ লগত লৈ পেলাই সেইটো সময়টো অলপ হেৰি হৈ যায় সেইটো কাৰণে আমাৰ লোকেল মানুহবিলাকে যেতিয়া সেইটো অবষ্ট্ৰাকশ্যন দিলে লগতে তাৰপিছত আমাৰ আইচিও আহিলে আহি পেলাই তেওঁলোকক লগ কৰি পেলাই বুজাই পিনি পঠাই দিয়া হ'ল সেইখিনি থেংক ইউ